You're going to learn how to create cinematic 3D AI B-roll to take your YouTube videos, documentaries, and storytelling content to the next level. We'll go through the entire video creation process using ChatGPT VO 3.1. This exact B-roll style is used by some of the top YouTube creators who get millions of views. So today, we'll recreate that same high-quality B-roll, completely with AI. Step 1. Head to this Custom GPT. It helps you turn prompts or images into 3D cinematic scenes. The link is in the description below. This Custom GPT handles all of that automatically, and even adds some extra cinematic details. So first, upload a file. I'm going to upload an image from my compute. You can use almost any image, because the GPT will generate it in the exact 3D cinematic style and aspect ratio you want. Once the image is uploaded, click Send. The GPT will analyze your image and give you two things: a main scene prompt and several B-roll angle prompts. This lets you create different cinematic shots from multiple angles in the same scene. For now, I'll generate the main scene because I want it to stay close to my original image. Next, choose your aspect ratio. Since I'm creating for YouTube, I'll type YouTube. The GPT then generates the cinematic image based on your photo and the custom prompt. Now, as you can see, the image looks very close to the original. Same outfit and also same setup. Even small background details were captured accurately. Below that, you'll find a video prompt. This is what we'll use in ElevenLabs VO 3.1 to bring the image to life. Copy that prompt, save the image, and then head to ElevenLabs VO 3.1. Upload your saved image, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. It'll create smooth cinematic AI motion from your still image. You can also try other AI models for different looks. For example, Kling's Video 2.5 Turbo, or using DeepSeek to rewrite your prompt more precisely. Sometimes, you'll get even better results. Each model interprets the same prompt differently, so it's worth experimenting. Once you've got a few great-looking images, you can mix them together to generate alternate camera angles or B-roll shots from the same environment. Keep refining until the lighting, perspective, and details match. It makes your final edit feel cohesive, like a real film set. Once your B-roll clips are ready, it's time to bring them to life with sound. Finally, to tie it all together, add AI-generated music directly and set it to instrumental for 30 seconds. Now, play it back. Everything should blend beautifully. And that's how you create cinematic 3D AI B-roll using VO 3.1 and ElevenLabs Studio, turning simple ideas into visually powerful stories. Thanks for watching.